we are going home. Oh. Not yet, we're home. We will come back here, okay? When it's warm weather. We will come back here, okay? Yeah, we are. Michael. Yeah, it is. Yes, that's right. It is. It's a stream. Like a row your boat gently down the stream. Like that. Stream. Merrily, life is but a dream. Yeah, it is stick like yours. You got a stick too. It's not grandma.
Yeah, it's just a small stick.
A small stick.
These guys are doing so well.
Yeah, he likes nature.
Yeah.
Yes, he loves nature. Yes. He loves nature. Really loves nature. This other one here is quiet. Yeah, he has autism.
Yeah.
This one, so he's quiet. Just
Yeah,
go with the flow.
I was playing with him a little bit earlier. So.
Yeah, he don't talk much.
No, that's okay. But he listens to everything.
Yes. There you go. Good job. All right. Yeah, he has mid autism. Middle.
Yeah. When did you discover that? When was that diagnosed or discovered? How old?
When he was 4 years old.
4? Yeah. A lot of times that's when it starts to show up.
Yeah. Start to show up like 2 years old.
Yeah. Yep.
Actually, when he was 2 years old, yeah, we had a feeling that there is something wrong, but we just skip it, and then until it's getting worse, and then we need to check, and then mid autism.
Yeah.
All right, okay. Yeah, at first I didn't accept it.
Yeah.
It's first time to me.
It's hard as a mom.
In Philippines, autistic is not really popular.
Oh.
But here in America, it's kind of popular here.
Yeah.
So it's new to me because we don't have like this in Philippines.
Yeah.
Well, my husband's second-born son is autistic also.
Oh, wow,
maybe that's why. Yeah. Oops. Michael, you dropped your tissue.
Do you want your tissue back?
Oh, get your tissue into that tissue box.
Oh,
wait, careful.
okay.
The stick anak.
Oh, put it in there?
There
we go.
There. Okay, you're back.
When did you come from the Philippines?
What?
When did you come from the Philippines?
2014.
2014. Wow.
Yeah. And now I'm applying to U.S. citizenship. Tomorrow I will meet my lawyer to file the U.S. citizenship tomorrow.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank
That's neat.
Yeah, I will travel to Madison, Wisconsin.
Oh,
because my lawyer's office is in there. And I was living in Madison. That's why.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Yeah, that's my original state.
Yeah.
Madison.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well,
So tomorrow we will travel. Long day tomorrow.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, yes. Oh, come here, Michael, to the right. There you go.
That's pretty exciting. That's a long process too, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm 9 years in America already. Never been out of the country since then.
Oh, really? Wow.
My Philippine passport is expired.
I bet it is.
Last 2014.
Oh, yeah.
2014, 15, 16. 2014 expired.
What made you decide to come to the U.S.?
Fiancé visa.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Of my ex-husband in Madison.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. We divorced. And married again.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
And now I have 3 kids.
There you go.
There you go.
Wow. That's
Yes.
exciting.
It is so exciting. It's so hard to raise a babies. Especially that guy over there. That's the hard-headed one in the family, like a boss in the house.
Yeah.
A lot of discipline. Oh my gosh.
We had 4 girls, 1 boy.
Oh, really? 5 girls. 4 girls,
Yeah.
1 boy.
Yeah. The second one was a boy. But everybody
Yeah,
else,
girls.
all girls.
Yeah, my husband got 2 boys for the ex-wife and then 3 for me.
Oh, wow.
So he got 4 boys, 1 girl.
Oh, yeah.
And you got
The-
4
the
girls,
opposite.
1 boy.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Just the flip of it.
And me, I got 3. 3, 2. Yeah, we got only princess.
Yeah.
You got 1 prince.
Yes.
Oh, come here, Micah. Yes. Yes, show.
Yeah. Now he's about to have a baby.
Who?
My son.
Oh, you're gonna be a grandpa? You're
Yeah.
gonna be
Second
grandpa?
time.
Second time.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oop, you're ready to go through, aren't you?
Ready to go. Oh. Woo. Poison ivy. Baby oak tree.
Baby oak tree.
Baby oak tree. You're home? You're ready to go home. Dion's ready to go home.
No, not yet.
Michael, we will come back here when it's warm
We
weather.
gotta go to the church and get the.
And now we got the bluebells now. There's a bluebells all around. Look at that bluebells. Michael, why are you running? Where are you going? Michael! And yes! I know we are here in the parking lot. Ooh, no bike. No, stay at the edge. Sorry, this rock. Okay. Trail map. Aray, Mike, diyan. Oh, come here, Micah. I don't know how to read yet. Come here.
Come on, Michael. You gonna keep your stick home?
Yeah. He's gonna bring it home.
In the car.
Yeah. Remembrance. Oh, you're ready to go? Okay. You're ready to go, huh? The jacket. The jacket. Wait, I'm gonna get this. Oh, go inside the car.